Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned mixed vegetables taste good. First, always drain and rinse your canned vegetables thoroughly under cold water. This simple step removes excess sodium and that canned taste. Next, consider sautéing them with a little butter or olive oil. Adding fresh aromatics like minced garlic or diced onion can instantly elevate their flavor profile, creating a much more appealing dish. To further boost the flavor, don't shy away from seasoning. A small pinch of sugar can surprisingly balance any bitterness and bring out the natural sweetness of the vegetables. A splash of acid, such as lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, adds a bright, fresh note. Experiment with different spices like paprika, dried dill, or a dash of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. The cooking method also plays a crucial role. Instead of just heating them, try roasting your drained vegetables at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. This caramelizes them, adding a delicious depth. Alternatively, a quick stir-fry with other fresh ingredients can give them a pleasant, crisp texture. Simmering them briefly in a rich chicken or vegetable broth also infuses them with wonderful flavor. Finally, get creative with how you serve them. Incorporate your enhanced canned vegetables into casseroles, hearty soups, or even pasta dishes to easily boost their nutritional value. A sprinkle of shredded cheese, some toasted nuts, or crispy bacon bits can add fantastic texture and richness. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy transforming your canned veggies into something truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.